Hello and welcome to the TiXel Shopify app. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and connect a pixel to your store using TiXel. So let's get started. After installing TiXel from the Shopify App Store, please make sure that you enable TiXel's app embed from your theme editor. Then please head to the All Pixels page, click on the Add Pixel button, and choose the pixel platform you wish to install. For this tutorial, we'll use TikTok as it is one of the most popular pixel platforms merchants use. Next, you need to choose the TikTok pixel type. We recommend you to choose the Events API pixel because it is using server-side events which are most accurate. Then, please head over to the TikTok Ads Manager and log in. Please make sure that you are logged in as the account's owner, as it is required by TikTok when creating a new pixel. Hover your mouse on the Tools option at the top menu bar and then click on the Events Manager option. In the next screen, click on the Connect Data Source button at the top right, then choose the Web option and click Next. Paste a URL of your store and then click Next. Choose Manual Setup. Click Next. Choose the Events API option, click Next. And in this screen, you'll have to name your pixel. For this example, I'll give it a name, TiXel Demo 2026 version 2. Click Create. And in the next screen, you'll have to adjust and make some changes to the business funnel and to remove unnecessary events. Please hover your mouse over the Add to Wishlist option and delete it, the Search option and delete it, Add Payment Info, Place an Order, and Complete Registration. Those events are unnecessary and irrelevant to your business funnel. When you're done, click Next, and the pixel has been created. Please hover your mouse and copy the pixel ID that has been created, and go back to the TiXel dashboard and paste the pixel you've just copied, pixel ID. Go back to the Events Manager browser and click on Generate Access Token. The access token will be generated. Please copy it by clicking on it and click on Next and then immediately finish. You're done with the TikTok Ads Manager and you can now close this window and head back to the TiXel dashboard. Paste the access token you've just copied and give a name to this pixel. It can be the same name as we did before, so it will be TiXel Demo version 2. If you want to apply the pixel for specific products, you can do so from this option. If you want to control the pixel events, the type of events that the pixel is triggering, you can also control that from here. We recommend you to keep the Apply for All Products and to keep all of the events ticked. When you're done, click on Save. And in the next screen, TiXel will trigger mock events for this pixel, so you'll be able to use it in a campaign immediately. We'll wait a few moments for the events to trigger, and we're done. Now we want to test the pixel that we've just installed in our store. We want to verify that it is working well, and we want to see the events that events are properly being sent to the TikTok servers. So how do we do that? We're going to access our online store and enter any product page. Immediately as we will enter the product page, TiXel will trigger a view content event which has been configured to trigger. The view content event is triggered when a product page is viewed. So when we'll head back to the TikTok dashboard and we'll refresh, we'll see that the total number of view content event has been increased by 1. Same applies for the Add to Cart event. When we'll go back to the product page, click on Add to Cart, the total number of Add to Cart events will also increase by 1. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out to our support team for any question. Have a great rest of the day.